how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this fullest braided wig. It's a back cornrow wig, as you can see. So this is how it looks. And then you can do the baby hair. Just cut the baby hair and do them and apply a gel on it. And then of course, for it to blend well with your complexion, you have to apply foundation. Just apply foundation on the lace to make it blend well with your complexion. Okay, yeah, so I make it in different sizes: small, medium and large. Make sure you pick your size. Small is 21 inches, medium is 22, and then large is 23. My head size is medium, that is 22. Like, that's the average head. So if you're interested in this wig or any of my wigs, I have a website, global.shana.co.ke, or you can WhatsApp me to place your order, and then I ship worldwide. Okay, and also just comment down below if you love this style. And then also, if you're not a fan of lace wigs, I have other wigs that are not lace. They're just like normal braided wigs. So I just want to thank you guys for your support. Thank you for ordering my wigs. I really appreciate. And I also just want to appreciate you guys for your support. Thank you for ordering my wigs. Thank you for watching my videos. Like, I really appreciate. And because of that, I'm planning to have a giveaway very soon. And just keep on watching my videos. I'll be giving away my wigs on one of the videos, just to appreciate you guys. Okay? Yeah. Look, a little filter.